Where the surf meets the turf, Del Mar, California is an upscale coastal community boasting a rich history and old world charm. With miles of beautiful sandy beaches, renowned restaurants, and world-class shopping, Del Mar is truly the quintessential seaside community. Bring your four-legged friends to North Beach, also known as Del Mar Dog Beach, and let them frolic and play in the waves. With its exceptional weather, outdoor activities can be enjoyed all year long here. Del Mar gives you that small town feel, while still providing the excitement of a bustling beach community. Top-rated beaches and an unbeatable location, Del Mar is truly a wonderful place to visit.